scholars, ready for the maths revision? Children, I know that you are enjoying these videos, okay, because as we have done this chapter earlier, yes, so it's only the revision that we are doing. Now children, today we are going to start with the revision of which chapter? Yes, you are correct. It's chapter money. Okay, so children, today we are going to see the revision of chapter number 11, money. So let's see children what is there in today's revision.
Now children, we will start with the revision part of chapter number 11, money. So the first topic is money conversion. How we can convert rupee to paise. So children, here formula is rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. Okay. So your first question is convert rupee 3 into paise. Now children, as we know this formula, rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. So rupee 3 will be equal to 3 multiplied by 100, that is equal to 300 paise. Understood children? The next question is convert rupee 425 paise into paise. Now again the same formula, rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. So rupee 4 will be equal to 4 multiplied by 100, that is equal to 400 paise. Okay children, then here rupee 4 we have converted into paise. Now what about 25 paise? 25 paise we have to add. So 400 paise plus 25 paise is equal to 425 paise. Like this you have to do. Then next is how we can convert paise to rupees. Now children, here the formula is 100 paise is equal to rupee 1. So the question is convert 600 paise into rupee. Now children, when we were converting from rupee to paise, we were multiplying by 100. Now when we are converting from paise to rupee, we have to divide by 100. Okay, so 600 paise is equal to 600 divided by 100, that is equal to rupee 6. Okay children, then next is convert 750 paise into rupee. Now again the same formula, 100 paise is equal to rupee 1. So 750 paise is equal to 700 paise plus 50 paise. Now 700 paise, how you can convert children? 700 divided by 100 and 50 paise will be as it is. Okay. So 700 divided by 100, that is equal to rupee 7 and 50 paise will be as it is. So your answer is rupee 750 paise. Like this you have to convert. Okay children. Now next is adding money. How we can add money. Now children, addition already you know, only the difference is here is you have to write rupee and paise. So here two columns you have to make, rupee and paise, and in rupee column you will write rupees and in paise column you will write paise. Okay. So children, rupee 40 plus rupee 40 50 paise. Okay. Now you have to add this. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Then 0 plus 0 is again 0 and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So your answer is rupee 80 50 paise. Understood children? Then next is subtracting money. Okay. So here the question is rupee 45 75 paise minus rupee 20 50 paise. So again you have to subtract. So 5 minus 0 is 5. then 7 minus 5 is 2, then 5 minus 0 is 5, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So your answer is 25 rupees 25 paise. Understood, children? Now next is multiplying money. Now children, multiply is also, you know how to do multiplication. Okay, only you have to write rupee and paise. So see here, rupee 35 multiply by 3. Now here you need to multiply. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. So write 10 over here. So it is rupees 105 is your answer. Understood, children? Simple multiplication you have to do. Okay. Now next, rupee 50 multiply by 4. So 4 zeros are 0 and 4 5s are 20. So your answer is rupee 200. Like this you have to do the multiplication, children. Okay. Now next is dividing money. Now children, division also you know, only rupee you have to write. So divide the following in this: rupee 48 divided by 6. So 48 divided by 6. So how you will do division, children? In 6 table 48 comes? Yes, 6 8s are 48. So here 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. Okay, so your answer is 8. Understood, children? Then next question, rupee 52 divided by 2. So 52 you have to divide by 2. So here in 2 table 52 we will not see, we will see one digit. Okay, so see here 5 do not come in 2 tables, so take lesser than 5. So it is 2 2s are 4. Then 5 minus 4 is 1, and then bring this 2 down. So in 2 table 12 comes, 2 6 are 12. Yes. So 2 6 are 12 and 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So children, like this you have to divide money. Okay. Children, this chapter is very simple. You watch this revision video properly. We will meet again soon. Till then, goodbye, children.